how to show or hide lock screen widgets info on the iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now you can see here on my lock screen, the information has been disabled or hidden. So if I go into my home screen and then go into settings, in settings, scroll down, then tap on Face ID and passcode. After that, we enter in the passcode. Now scroll down, and then we tap on lock screen widgets. Tap on the toggle button to enable this feature or to disable it. Now when it is enabled, if you go to the lock screen, you can see it will show the lock screen widget information. Otherwise, if we tap on the toggle button to turn it off, it will disable the widget and it will hide the widget information. So here I will turn it off. And all the information is now hidden. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.